Yo, Joe, we're up on the black, we're up on the shot again. See, man, sir. Now, this I just see early vibes of the road, the Mardi Gras thing, you know, New Orleans. Let's give you a little preview of it. So it's set up, you know. And then you don't know you go have it. The truck them a come through, they call them float down here, you know. Yeah, man. So, but that's a give a little clip. We're gonna get some little clip and put them together, you see me? It's just the early setup. It's like about 2:11 or something like that in the morning. Everybody I get ready. It's gonna be all day, all night. You see me I say? So, the float them not start come through yet, you know? Don't know. Everybody I get ready. Family there, so there. New Orleans. Yeah. That's how I set up. Jacosta, what's up? Yeah, man. Jamaican princess that said speed. And the police them have a green, blue stripe like Jamaica police. But I'm going to say for them stripe thinner, you know what I mean? Yeah. In New Orleans. New Orleans police. You can see it there. See it on the vehicle that says New Orleans police. Don't know. And 911 said we, you know, emergency. But you don't know where to go already. So when the van move, look. Police have blue stripe like Jamaica. You know what I mean? So you don't know, say, New Orleans and them place there, when kind of under I said regime back in the days. You see me I say, because they were more Asian thing. You see me I say it was like more Asian. You see me? So 80 people them have the links over here said we. So I saw it set up. I gotta make my wife go into some details for it. Jenny. She attack you now. I'll do another clip and make sure you go into some details for it. The whole history of the New Orleans thing. But we're up on the block, we're up on the chat. Just subscribe, like and share and comment. So don't know anything set up. Easy, you see me? I'll log out with that clip here right now.